Alright, here we go. 2015. New Jersey, New York blizzard. We're outside. Where are you? We got the fire on, sitting over there. We got the grill on. Burgers. Hugga Hugga.
Alright.
It's alright.
So it's a little 12 and a half. Show.
It's a little 12 Ray Ave. West Patterson, New Jersey. The fire is fucking raging. In about an hour, 2 hours, the dicks will be in the snow. That's coming! Yeah! Look at that, look at that, look at that. We got the burgers on the grill. We're not afraid. It's 12 degrees out. What do you all got to say about that? Because you want to know why? Because we're New York Giant fans.
Right.
Where are all you Cowboys fans at? Sitting in 70-degree pussy-ass weather. And the Bengals? I don't really have to say anything.